In this lesson, I'm going to be going over how to use text effects. Okay, so as you can see here, I have some text on the page here. And to access text effects, you want to make sure that you select the text itself, and you're going to go over to effects right on the top toolbar here. So click on that. And as you can see here, there is a bunch of effects that you have here. The first category is going to be style. So this is going to be how do you want your text to look, right? So the first option obviously is going to be none. You want to select shadow. This is going to allow you to add shadows to your text. And once you click on any of these, you're going to see that it has properties that you can adjust here to make this look the way you want it to look. So here you have the offset, the direction, the blur, you have the transparency. Now you also have lift here. This one has its own properties. You have halo, its own properties. You have glitch, its own properties here as well. You have neon, echo. Now, if you go all the way down here, you're going to see that we also have the text shape. So let me go ahead and change the style to none. And I'm going to go over the shape here. So there's a curved shape here. If you want to curve your text, you can do that. And the properties for this are going to be, how much you want your text to be curved, right? So you can obviously adjust this all types of ways in order to curve your text here, okay? Now, that is pretty much it when it comes to how you can add effects to your text in Canva. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.